All right. Turn your monitor sideways, please. I'm serious.
And just turn it off.
Or turn it off. Well, I want to see your faces. Turn it sideways. Because then it's like forced compliance. We shall overcome. What? I don't know what that one is. All right, so I want to just pull everything. So here I have customers, rentals, movies, and I wanted to capture cast, right? And so to capture cast, it's a transaction table. I have actors, and I want to know which actor is in which movie. So I have here movie cast, and I couldn't just call it cast. Why? That gave me an error. Because cast is a keyword in SQL for changing data type, so I can't use the word cast. It's a reserved word for the program language. It's a reserved word for the programming language. So I called it movie cast, and we have. So I'm just going to list out I'm going to show the details of the different tables, and you can see I have movie cast, I have actors, and I have movies. So I'm now going to select which actor is in which movie. Select name and actor name. I left the E off in my little drawing up there, but I hope I have it in there. From. What's next? Read it left to right. You guys call it out. I don't need customers, right? So movies, select name, a name, from movies, join, movie cast, on, movies, MID, movie cast, .mid. I'm reading it left to right. Select name, a name, from movies, join moviecast on movies.mid, moviecast MID. That's all one set now. And join that to actors is what's going to happen next. So what's next? Join actors on sweet. That's it. More records.